Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to show you how you can create a professional looking ebook mockup cover that you can then, if you have an ebook, sell on Amazon, on Kindle, or use as a lead magnet to capture emails on your website. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to log in into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, I highly recommend you to get one. It's completely free. I will leave the link in the description so that you can start creating your own designs. Okay, so once you log in, once you have your account, you have to go here to create design and pick ebook cover. Okay, so that your design has the dimensions you want for an ebook. And in here you will find lots of different designs Canva has that you can use for your own business. Okay, so depending on what you have written in the past, on what you want to give away as a lead magnet, you can pick any design. In this case, I like this one, and then it is very easy, very simple to just edit. I will say top 4 glasses secrets. Okay, make it a little smaller. And as you can see, you can edit your designs in Canva very fast, very easy, very simple. Since I already have my design ready to go, I will go and just download it. In my case, I designed it for the email sequence. That's the name of the book, of the guide that I prepared to have as a lead magnet for my ideal customer. So after you have finished your design, what you have to do is to simply download it as a PNG file. Okay, you want them to download it as a PNG because you are going to then upload it to a website that you will need this type of file. So simply download your cover and let's wait until it's done. Okay, so once you have your PNG file of your cover, what you want to do is to go to this website, which is called DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. Okay, I will leave the link in the description so that you can go directly. But in here you will arrive to this page. Okay, and in this page, what you want to do, and this website is amazing. This is something that I just found out and that has helped me create the lead magnets for my business, and also to upload a very nice looking cover that I have for a book that I'm selling on Amazon. So I recommend you to do the same. Okay, and for creating your mockup, you will have two options. Okay, you can either have a single mockup in any version that you want to have a print version of your mockup, an iPad version, or a phone version. Okay, you can pick whatever you want, or you can have a composite version, which is a mockup that includes the print version, iPhone version, and iPad version. I normally prefer to have a composite because it looks better, but I also have made a couple that are just single versions. For this example, I want to show you how it looks a composite version, and in here you have 12 options that you can pick for your design. Okay, you can pick any of these. Let's see which one I like for this example. This case, I like this one. The last one looks very, very nice. Once you pick, you just have to go and click next. And then in here, what you want to do is to upload the cover that you downloaded from Canva or from your designer. So just go to browse and let's see where it is the design that I just downloaded. Okay, here I have my 4 email sequence, then click upload. You have to do this 2 times, okay, 2 times because it's a composite version. Okay, let's do it again, upload again, and then go down. And once it's ready, what you want to do is to go to the next and final step. The final step is to download your free mockup. Once it's ready, you just want to go down, okay, and select if you want a PNG version or a JPG. Okay, my recommendation is always to go with PNG because it has the highest quality. Okay, so you just want to click here and wait until your ebook mockup cover it's downloaded. Okay, wait, you have to wait for 10-20 seconds. I don't know how many seconds, but just wait until it is downloaded. Okay, now as you can see here, it is complete. The download is complete, and let's open it so that you can see how professional, how good it looks, this mockup that I made really fast. As you can see, wow, it looks amazing. It looks very professional. You can see the 3 versions, the print version, iPad and iPhone. As you saw in this tutorial, creating an ebook mockup cover for your ebook or for any lead magnet is very simple using these 2 tools, so I highly encourage you to check them out. That's everything I have for you guys today in this tutorial. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I'm making videos every single day. And also, before I go, I want to invite you to a 4-day free training I set up on my website with my mentor Sebastian Gomez that will help you start online. You will learn about affiliate marketing, email marketing, content creation, and funnels. There is a lot of valuable information, completely free, link in the description. And with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.